Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Guys, today I'm going to talk about one of the very interesting planet which is linked with business, which is linked with economy, and a planet with a great learning, a planet, a great knowledge, a planet with a great business tradings. So, guys, today I'm going to talk about planet Mercury, which is going to change their sign from Capricorn to Aquarius from 11th of March 2021, the day Mahashivratri day. So Mercury will change their sign from 11th March 2021 from Capricorn to Aquarius. Will be a biggest game changer for some zodiac signs, for some ascendant signs. Sorry, you know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign or moon sign. Just follow my videos. Keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information. So guys, first of all, if you have a Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, and Mercury is going to change their sign on 11th of March 2021, you will blessed with a lot of success because Mercury and Venus, these both are very fast moving planet in transit. Because Mercury changed their sign more than 18-20 days. Sometimes Mercury stay one sign month or 2 month, but it's happen very rare. So Venus transit in 25 days. So Mercury and Venus are very fast moving planet in transit. So Mercury is going to change their sign from 11th of March. Let's start for Aries Ascendus. Aries Ascendus being your third house lord and sixth house lord, Mercury transit in your 11th house. If you are jobless, you will get job. If you don't have source of earning, your source of earning will develop. You will earn very good money. If you're a businessman and your business is not going to give you good profit from last few months, now when Mercury enter in your 11th house, you will feel much relief and you will get a lot of benefits from your higher authority. Your friends will support you. You may get any good advice related to your profession, related to your source of earning from your near dear, from your friend. Because Mercury being a third and sixth lord transit in your 11th house. If you're jobless and you're finding a job, this is the right time. After 11th of March 2021, you will definitely get job whatever you deserve. So guys, do some try to do some best to finding a job, because this Mercury transit will give you a lot of good opportunities which will came your way to make your life easy and better, to making resources, to making a lot of money. If you are a stockbroker, if you are a trader, then 11th house transit of the Mercury will give you a lot of fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendus being your second house lord and fifth house lord. Mercury transit in your 10th house in your Karma Bhav. You will definitely blessed with a lot of promotion. Your source of earning will develop. You may start something new. You may invest your money in stock market or real estate, but stock market will give you fantastic result because fifth lord transit in your 10th house. You will get name, fame, position, because Mercury is a very beneficial planet for Taurus Ascendus. Guys, if you have a strong Mercury in your birth chart and you have a Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha, you will definitely get lot of achievements during this transit from 11th of March. This is one of the ultimate day when your things will work for you and you will enjoy all around success. Taurus, this time your professional life will be sky high. You will earn a lot of money from your profession and reputation. You will get a lot of gains, and you will get a lot of appreciation from your seniors, because Mercury is in 10th house will give you fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendus. Your Ascendus Lord transit in your 9th house. You will feel bit relaxed. You will feel a better position compared to last few months, because your Ascendance Lord transit in your 9th house. You good fortune start to smile for you. You may enter in a new business horizon. You may get job if you are unemployed. Good fortune is in your favor. Your old pending work will click after 11th of March 2021 if you have a strong Mercury in your birth chart. And if you have a Mercury Mahadasha, you will definitely get a lot of achievements. Gemini, no doubt Jupiter Saturn is in your 8th house and Rahu Ketu is also not very promising for you. But this Mercury change will be a biggest game changer time, will start from 11th of March 2021, when you will feel much relaxed, comfort, and your source of earning will develop. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendus. Cancer Ascendus being your 12th house lord and third house lord, Mercury transit in your 8th house, Ashtam Bhav. If you are a researcher, if you are any type of student, if you are any type of occult master or astrologer, you will get blessed with a hidden money. You will get blessed with a hidden source of earning. But you need to be careful about your health. 12th Lord is in 8th house, create a Vipreet Rajyo. You will blessed with a lot of foreign activities. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, this Mercury transit in 8th house will give you good opportunities. You may get PR or work permit in foreign land. There is no doubt, but you just need to perform your best and must check your birth chart. Do you have Mercury Mahadasha? Do you have Mercury Antardasha? If you have, then you must apply for foreign activities because you will get a lot of good, events related to foreign activities will happen during this time. So guys, Cancer, this whole time after 11th of March, the day Mercury is in your 8th house, you will blessed with a lot of unexpected gains. If you are occult master, if you are doctor, if you are engineer, if you are astrologer, if you are any type of spiritual guru. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sandus. Leo Sandus, your second house lord and your 11th house lord, Mercury transit in your Saptam Bhav, you will get a lot of opportunities. You will get a lot of money. You will earn a lot of money from your business. If your business is not going to give you profit, from 11th of March 2021, the day of Mahashivratri, you will feel much relaxed and positivity because you earn a lot of money. After 11th of March, you will feel much relaxed, comfort, and you will enjoy all around success. Your spouse will support you. Health of your spouse will be better, and relationship with your spouse will be on better side. This whole time after 11th March 2021, your thoughts, if you are, execute your thoughts or plan in reality, you will definitely grow beyond your expectations. Mercury is a planet of trading. Mercury is a planet of money. Mercury is a planet of business. And 7th house is also linked with your business and daily income or partnership. You may get a lot of partnership opportunities, and this is the right time. You must start any new work with anyone. You will definitely bless with a great success. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendus. Virgo Ascendus, your Ascendus Lord, transit in 6th house. You need to be careful about your health, but your old debts will be clear. If you are applying for the government loan, your loan will be granted. You may, lot of money will knock you in the terms of loan or in the terms of foreign activities. Some foreign transactions will make you happy because your Ascendant Lord transit in 6th house and aspecting is on your 12th house, which is linked with foreign land. If you are applying for PR or work permit, you will definitely get job in foreign land because 6th house is also a house of employment. And Mercury is one of the very comfortable in 6th house and Kal Purush Kundli as well. And your Ascendant Lord, being your Ascendant Lord, transit in your 6th house, you will bless with a great success. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. For your Ascendants, Mercury is very beneficial planet and transit in your 5th house. You will get a lot of money from stock market if you're investing your money in speculation, stocks or any type of investment related to stock market. You will blessed with a big amount of profit after 11th of March. Libra, try to perform your best. This is a wonderful time when Mercury shower their blessings on you and you will be top and sky high at your professional life. Pancha Bhav is also house of your creativity, your entertainment industry. If you are linked with entertainment industry, you are model or you are any type of actor or singer, you will definitely sign a new deal or new contract which will make you happy and you will enjoy a lot of money after 11th of March 2021. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, being your 8th Lord and 11th Lord, Mercury transit in your 4th house, Kendra Sthan. If you have Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha, first of all, you need to be careful about your health and you need to be careful health of your mother. The more you give respect to your mother, the more you get fruitful result from universe. 4th house is a house of your mother. 4th house is a house of your mental peace. And Mercury is not very comfortable in 4th house in Kal Purush Kundli. But in Aquarius sign, Mercury feel relaxed and your 11th Lord transit in 4th house. You will definitely get some gift or some good advantage from your mother side. If you have a good tie-up or good relationship with your mother, your blessings of your mother will be a biggest game changer for you. This time you may buy new property. You may invest your money in a vehicle, any car you may buy. You may sell your old car or you buy new car. Scorpio, this time you will get a lot of business opportunity because Mercury 7th aspect is on your 10th house. You will blessed with a lot of achievement, and your source of earning will develop. You will get a lot of business opportunities. Someone may support you or help you during this time. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius ascendants, Mercury being your seventh lord, transit in your third house. Third house is a house of communication. Third house is a house of short distance journeys as well as long distance journeys. From 11th March 2021, if you are willing to anything from far away place from your birthland, you will get a lot of advantage. You will get a lot of blessings because third house is a very strong house. You will feel a very positive energy with strong willpower, with strong determination. You may achieve some big goal. In third house, Mercury transit, relationship with your younger siblings will be better, and you may get a lot of good opportunities related to expand your horizon, because third house is also house of your friends and near and dear. You will blessed with a very good advice. You will blessed with a very good public dealings if you are any type of PR related work. So Sagittarius, this is a very fruitful time because Jupiter is already transit in your second house with second house Lord Saturn. So your second house is very strong. Now Mercury going to start transit in your third house. You will get blessed because Mercury seventh aspect is in your ninth house, which is a house of your dharma, karma, and long distance journeys. Will make you happy, and you will get a lot of benefits through journeys. So now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn, Mercury is a ruling planet for your birth chart and transit in your second house. You will blessed with a very good money. Your savings will rise, and you will enjoy all about success, and your family will support you. You will enjoy very quality time, a comfortable time with your family or friends. But Saturn is in your first house. You need to be careful while talking with a spouse or any business partner. But by the grace of God, Jupiter is also transit in your first house in the month of March till 6th of April. Jupiter is in your first house. Jupiter is protecting your relationship. So you need to be careful while talking with a spouse. But Mercury transit in your second house will brings a lot of positivity for you, lot of cash in hand, will make you happy, and you will enjoy very good savings. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. Mercury transit in your first house. You will achieve a lot of name, fame, prosperity. You will enjoy very good health. Some unexpected money will make you happy. If you are already investing your money in stock market, you will blessed with a lot of gains. If you are willing to invest your money in stock market, then after 11th of March, it will be a very fruitful time for you. Guys, Aquarians, you need to perform your best because Mercury is a beneficial planet for you. If you have a Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha, you will definitely achieve big goals, big milestone after 11th of March, and you will get name, fame, prosperity. Your reputation will rise, and you will enjoy very good health. So overall, this is very fruitful time which will going to start because Mercury is a planet which is going to give a fast results, because Mercury is a planet which stay 18 days, 20 days, 25 days in one sign. So you should take advantage of this positive transit for you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Mercury transit in your 12th house. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not feeling comfortable in the terms of your relationship. You are not feeling comfortable while talking with a spouse. Relationship will be a matter of concern. Some legal matters will create a lot of problems for you. If you have a Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha, you should give respect to your spouse. You need to perform your best in your personal relationship as well as professional relationship. If you are a businessman and you are business with partnership, you need to perform your best and always use good words in front of your you can say your business partner or your life partner, because this time will brings a lot of up and down, lot of challenging situation for you if you have a Mercury Antardasha or Mahadasha in your birth chart. So guys, I'm looking forward to great success, praying for a happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.